When you are cornered by a massive attacker in a dark alley, do you think you must be stronger to survive? This obsession guarantees your defeat.
On the street, there are no referees and no gloves. Winning isn't about an explosion of muscle. It is about understanding the physics of human failure. A knockout is actually a systematic failure of the brain. The brain floats in fluid. To shut down an attacker, you simply need to make their head rotate suddenly and violently. This disconnects the system instantly through pure kinetic energy. We will now explore 4 survival principles that turn your opponent's massive size into a complete irrelevance. Science will be your primary weapon tonight. Principle 1. Accuracy beats power. Punching a forehead or a cheekbone is a waste of energy and risks breaking your own hand on hard bone. These bones are designed to absorb force. If you strike them with a bare fist, you are likely to disable yourself before the fight even begins. Aim for the tip of the chin. It acts as a perfect lever, forcing the neck to twist, and alternatively, target the temple or the vagus nerve behind the ear. These are the soft points where the body's electrical signals can be easily disrupted. The liver is the body's ultimate panic button. A strike here does not need massive power, just the correct angle under the lower right ribs.
A liver shot causes an immediate collapse of the autonomic nervous system. One precise hit turns a 5-point attack into a 100-point finishing move. Principle 2. The invisible strike. Street fights usually start with shouting. This is your advantage. The punch that knocks them out is the unseen one. When an attacker sees you winding up, their body automatically tenses. Their jaw and neck muscles become a shock absorber against your physical pressure.
But if you strike while they are speaking or exhaling, their body is relaxed. In this state, their natural defenses are down, making your strike lethal.
Use a deceptive gesture. Putting your hands up as if to apologize creates a false sense of security, while positioning your weapons perfectly in range. From this forced relaxation, even a simple jab carries devastating power. Knockouts on the street are more about psychological deception than raw physical strength.
Principle 3. Timing. Aggressive attackers often lunge forward with wide, sweeping haymakers. They are essentially throwing their entire body weight at you. Think of it as a head-on collision. The most effective power to knock them out is the—
Do not retreat in fear. Instead, step calmly to a 45-degree angle and place your fist directly in the path of their oncoming momentum.
By intercepting them with a short, stiff strike, their velocity adds to yours. They effectively use their own massive weight to knock themselves unconscious.
Remember, positioning defeats power, and timing defeats speed. Stay calm under pressure and let the geometry of the fight do the work for you. Principle 4. Relax to explode. Fear makes you stiffen, but tension acts like a brake on your muscles, slowing down your strikes significantly. Keep your body as loose as a whip. Only clench your fist at the very last millimeter.
This sudden release of concentrated energy creates a shockwave that rattles the brain. It is the difference between being hit by a pillow or a rock.
A true self-defense expert doesn't push. They play a game of geometry and time. At Zero L Combat, we teach you to fight smarter. When technique meets intelligence, brute strength becomes useless. You now have the blueprints to neutralize any threat, regardless of their size or weight. If this video changed your perspective on survival, smash the like and subscribe buttons. Do you prefer continuous pressure or a single tactical strike?
Leave a comment below. For our next video, should we cover body language reading or the art of deception? Your choice shapes our future content.
On the street, your mind is your greatest weapon. Stay safe, stay sharp, and keep training with us. We will see you in the next lesson.
Control the distance, control the breathing, and you control the outcome. Every confrontation is an opportunity to apply the science of combat.
Understanding anatomy is like having a map of your enemy's weaknesses. Don't fight their strength. Exploit the vulnerabilities that every human body possesses. Adaptability is key. Like water, you must flow around their power and strike when they are most exposed. Never meet force with force directly. Mastering the rhythm of a fight allows you to see openings where others see chaos. Time slows down when you are perfectly prepared.
Power starts at the ground. Your legs and hips provide the torque, while your precision provides the result. Everything must work in perfect harmony.
Stay silent, stay focused. The loudest person in the room is often the most vulnerable. Let your actions speak for your level of training. Street survival isn't a sport, it is a necessity. Equip yourself with the knowledge that can save your life when the stakes are at their highest. Zero L Combat is your guide to the reality of the streets. No fluff, no fake moves, just the cold hard science of real-world engagement. Subscribe now and join our community of tactical thinkers. Until next time, stay vigilant and remember that intelligence is your ultimate shield.